Connecting your GoDaddy domain onto Google Sites actually is quite easy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. First of all, open up the GoDaddy dashboard and then also the Google Sites dashboard. Now on Google, make sure to head over to the settings on the top right and find the Custom Domains tab on the left. Click on Connect Domain and then insert the domain name which you want to add. You can find this under Dashboard and you can basically also look for your domains right here. And for me this would be howtokrausemedia.club. I'm just going to insert this and we will now have to verify our ownership. Once you are right here, click on Continue, and this is now automatically going to detect that your domain is pasted on GoDaddy. So all that you will have to do is to click on Start Authentication, and this will then basically allow you to connect Google onto this. And usually this is then going to take a couple of seconds. And as you can see, this now has been verified. Click on Done and now head back to your Google site. We can then actually click on Cancel and then click on Connect Domain, enter your domain right here, click on Next, and you will then have to basically add this CNAME entry onto your GoDaddy dashboard. So what you will have to do is head to the domain settings on the left, then to DNS, and first of all, make sure to delete any previous CNAME records if they aren't needed anymore, and then click on CNAME right here. Put in www for the name, and as for the value, make sure to copy this from right here and then paste this in. Click on Save, and now usually this should be actually completely connected. Sometimes this can take some minutes to actually update, but in our case this is now up and ready and we could actually use this to publish our Google site. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.